All Assam Tribal Sangha, Dimoria District Unit holds Triennial General Conference. A very good morning to one and all who is watching the news right now. Your original baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. The All Assam Tribal Sangha Dimoria District Unit has successfully conducted its 22nd Triennial General Conference on March 20 and 21. Here is a report sent to us by our Sonapur correspondent. The main agenda of the General Conference was to form a new district committee of the unit as the 3 years tenure of the old body has ended. Delegates from 13 regional committees under the unit reached to venue on 20 March to select their new leader. Ratneswar Ronghang has been unanimously selected as the president, while Niranjan Basumatari has been selected as the secretary of the unit for the next 3 years. It may be mentioned that the two have been re-elected to their respective posts for the second term. However, there were few changes in other portfolios. On 21st March, the day began with the flag hosting program by District Unit President Ratneswar Ronghang and the President of all regional committees under the unit. A cultural procession was also held during which Karbi, Boro, Diva, Rabha, Mising, Garo, Adivasi and few other cultural groups from various regions of Dimoria, dressed their respective traditional attires, participated in the colorful event. During the public meeting held in the afternoon, General Secretary of All Assam Tribal Sangha, Central Committee Aditya Khaklari, members of Diva Autonomous Council Dimoria Region, and other element persons of Dimoria Region were also present. Addressing the meeting, all leaders laid emphasis on the need for all the tribal and indigenous people of the region to come together and work as a unit. They also assured all help and support to the Sangha whenever needed. A cultural program was also organized in the evening, during which folk dances, songs and other numbers were performed. Niduraj Ronghang's report from Sonapur, Karbi Anglong Live.
Kardom, nidi kacing hon sungsi so karbi ka video arat keduan. Nidi tum karbi kuru salcing mamai keke siye hinten non ke bangji terepo ni faing koida merkebar ni hidung amai aron bari mafan padu ponji pusi nidi tum arni hot poniklo kasi keduan kacing hon jirpo pi purun kacing lok don mekara doan uru pulak tongria sa longpa sa doan tabang suarni mijung ahabar nongki kamsa arong mate labang so mijung arut along adak ni ditum keke sing long kiri habaramai rat amai pila pen ka video amai di ponji bangsuar ni sap kong alam ben si chetan chimung ponji katu kabeta nang chetong nuni ko pusi nai tum katu kabe paniri kong chun bang hinten nang chop haponi lo pardon.
In a press meet conveyed on Monday, MEC Pawan Kumar Rai said that the APHLC party is trying to create misunderstanding and conflict among the tribal and indigenous people of Karbi Anglong by charging Dr. Numul Momin as anti-tribal. He said that the APHLC should stop spreading falsehood, challenging the rival party to produce evidence to prove their claims. The MEC said that Dr. Momin have been raising several important issues for the development of the district and can never be an anti-tribal. The MEC said that the APHLC should stop making communal issues as their election campaigning agenda. Rejecting the allegation, the APHLC, he said that such remarks could bring in misunderstanding among the people. Clarifying on the issue regarding his election to the KAAC, he said that he has not flouted any norms of the sixth schedule by contesting the election and that he had always adhered to the rules.
কোনো এঙ্গলৰ পৰা কোনো কাৰণতে আমি ভাৰতীয় জনতা পাৰ্টি আৰু ভাৰতীয় জনতা পাৰ্টিৰ লগত যিসকল লাখ লাখ কাৰ্যকৰ্তা আছে আৰু মানে লাখ লাখ যিসকল সাধাৰণ ৰাইজ আছে তেওঁলোকে কেতিয়াও ডক্টৰ নুমল মুমিনক এণ্টি ট্ৰাইবেল বুলি নাভাবে আৰু কেতিয়াও তেনেধৰণৰ কোনো কাম কাজ ডক্টৰ নুমল মুমিনৰ তৰফৰ দেখা নাই। আজি তেওঁলোকে এটা নিৰ্বাচনী বৈতৰণি পাৰ হ'বলৈ কেলে জাতীয় সংঘৰ্ষ আনিব বিচাৰিছে কাৰ্বি আংলঙত, কেলে ট্ৰাইবেল ভিতৰতে ট্ৰাইবেল কমিউনিটিক ডিভাইড কৰিব বিচাৰিছে কাৰ্বি নন কাৰ্বি, কেলে কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ সাধাৰণ যিটো সমাজ ব্যৱস্থা তাত ট্ৰাইবেল নন ট্ৰাইবেল বোলে এই এটা ক্লেছ এটা কণ্ট্ৰভাৰ্চি আনিব বিচাৰিছে। এই ষড়যন্ত্ৰৰ পৰা আমাৰ ৰাইজে সজাগ হৈ থাকিব লাগিব বুলি মই আজিৰ এই আপোনালোকৰ জৰিয়তে মই ৰাইজক অনুৰোধ জনাব বিচাৰিছোঁ।
The MAC made fervently appeal to the APHLC to stop attaching anti-tribal tag against a person who have brought huge funds for development in Karbi Anglong. The MAC also appreciated Dr. Momin for the work he had done in the past 5 years and for representing the district so powerfully in the assembly. Mohantaran's report from Pelangpi, Karbi Anglong Live.
Nangletum hiti ka helopen kedam ningka saksak doma. Doposita matha ikri. Humre ignon nangletum adung het kedo Pangcho Enterprise.
Nangletum ladak lomik ji lake electronic goods, gift item, food item, cosmetic, water filter, sport and school item. Lasi Humri non MS Pangcho Enterprises, Jirsong Asong Road, Rongkhelam, Dipu.
With only 1 week left for the State Assembly election, BJP star campaigners of Karbi Anglong MP Horen Singbe and Karbi Anglong Tarmas Council CM Tuliram Ronghang continue to lead their campaign meeting in West Karbi Anglong district. On Monday, the KAAC leader and MP attended campaign meeting at Habang. The election campaign meeting inside the Chintong MAC was held at Habang Playground at 10:30 a.m. The election campaign meeting was chaired by local elected representative NEM Pradeep Rongpi. Apart from the two-star campaigners of the Karbi Anglong BJP, EM Amar Singh Tiso was also present at the election meeting. While addressing the local people of the border area, Karbi Anglong Tarmas Council Chief Tuliram Ronghang asserted that the BJP is committed for the development of all people and communities, be it the Karbis, Khasis, Nepalis or others. He said that the district cannot develop and progress if the huge people across the district are left behind and are deprived of basic infrastructures. The KAAC chief said that if voted to power, Hawang would soon be made the subdivision of Chintong block. He urged upon the people of the area to vote for their party's candidate Rup Singh Teron on April 1.
সরকার থাকিলেহে গ্ৰান্টি দিব পাৰে, সরকার থাকিলেহে উন্নয়নমূলকৰ কামবিলাকক কৰিব পাৰে। তেওঁলোকৰ চৰকাৰে নাই, দিল্লী তেওঁলোকৰ চৰকাৰ আছে, মাত্ৰ 40জন MP আছে আৰু অসমতো চৰকাৰ নাই। কাৰ্বি আংলং অট'নমাছ কাউন্সিলটোতো কংগ্ৰেছৰ চৰকাৰ আছে নেকি? চৰকাৰ থাকিলে সেইবিলাকক গ্ৰান্টি দিব। গ্ৰান্টি বস্তুটো কি বস্তু মই বুজি পোৱা নাই। তেওঁলোকে এনেই মানুহে অপপ্ৰচাৰ কৰিছে আৰু নিজৰ ৰাজনীতি যেনে স্বাৰ্থ পূৰণ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে তেওঁলোকে এইটো প্ৰচাৰ কৰিছে।
Hemari Rongphar's report from Ulukunchi, Karbi Anglong Live. And those were the top stories for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.